Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through using the Sunbiz portal to register your business with the state of Florida. Sunbiz is the official online Division of Corporations database managed by the Florida Department of State, and navigating it correctly will save you from paying third-party filing agencies. Your first critical step before paying any fees is to run a comprehensive name availability lookup. Click on the Search Records tab on the Sunbiz homepage and select Entity Name Search to type in your desired business name. If an exact or highly similar name already appears as active in the database, your application will be instantly rejected. So make sure your name is completely unique and ends with a legal designator like LLC. Once your name is cleared, return to the main landing page and select Start a Business, followed by Filing Online Articles of Organization. This electronic form officially creates your company and requires an immediate credit card payment of $125. Fill in your principal business address and explicitly name your mandatory Florida registered agent, who must have a physical street address in the state to accept legal correspondence. Carefully list all managing members or managers, input your digital signature, and submit the portal application. Within 1 to 2 business days, the state will process your file and email your official approved document number, completely cementing your legal business entity in Florida. Subscribe the channel for more videos.